Okay, let's see inside. So this is our room, our living room. We have a glass floor over here. Okay, some coconut drinks for us from Conrad and fruits. Here is our TV with PlayStation 5 provided. I'm not sure what's game available. Our swimming pool. Beach over here. And this is our own private beach in Sandbank. This is our master bedroom. Okay. From Conrad with my name over here. Thank you. Let's see. Marukaba. Marukaba means selamat datang, I think. Okay. This is our master bedroom bathtub. Again, you can see the beach over there. Sink. That's me. And we have our own jacuzzi. This is nice. I'm gonna enjoy this. Our own private jacuzzi. And we can control everything over here. Jet pump, lower light. Yes. We have our own pool. This swimming pool belongs to us. This beach and sandbank belong to us. And this unit, the whole villa belong to us. You can just jump over there to the sandbank, or you can use these stairs if you want. Nice place to have dinner. Maybe we're going to have dinner here. Let's go inside and see their room. Have you started playing already? No. Not yet. Okay, later on. Here is our kitchen. Kitchen here. And we can eat everything inside here. All these are ours. Will be refilled every day. Juice, except the alcohol. Don't take the alcohol. Okay. Other than the alcohol, everything you can take. And unlimited. You're gonna refill it every day. And here is the kids' bedroom. Okay. Are you studying? Again, my name over here again. Thank you. Let's go and see their bathroom. This is their bathroom. Oh, quite nice also. Huge, same like master bedroom. They have their own bathtub also. I don't know what this is, I'm not sure. Oh, they're connected outside. Oh, this is nice. Another way to go outside again through different door. Again, front part of our villa. Okay, let's see again. So this is our villa. Okay, bye.